Hi guys! Join to our blog. We explore the interaction of technology and creativity. In this blog, we will be examining the latest trends and innovations in multimedia and ICT.
Multimedia, combination of text, animated graphics, video, and sound delivered to you via electronic means. It is what applies to user for entertainment, learning, and research.
Primary characteristics of a multimedia system is the use of more than one kind of medium to deliver content and functionality. Five main elements of multimedia. Text. Contents express specific information. Images. Make the content more visually appealing. Common image file formats used are JPEG, PNG, GIF, and TIFF. Image can also be interactive like buttons, navigation, menus, and backgrounds. Video adds more attraction to users. Common video formats are Flash, MPEG, AVI, WM QuickTime. Video can be embedded with content or link stored outside the content. Audio aids interaction with the users. It can also be added as background. Common audio formats are MP3, WMA, WAV, MIDI, and Real Audio. Audio can be embedded or streamed.
Multimedia is used by government around the world to convey information, procedure and regulation, therefore, citizen and visitors. Multimedia for use in military, engineering, and many others. Multimedia is used by government around the world to convey information, procedure and regulation, therefore, citizen and visitors. Multimedia for use in military, engineering, and many others.
Education. Multimedia is used to create and produce computer-based or CBT materials and courses, including online and based encyclopedia. It has been observed that learning is faster and easier with a properly assembled multimedia of voice, video, graphics, and text. Linear multimedia presents information and active content without any navigable control for viewer. Examples: reading a book, navigating a traditional map, a movie PowerPoint presentation. Used in application available with internet. Offline multimedia application presented and used even without internet. Hybrid multimedia combines features of online and offline application.
Uses of multimedia. Number 1. Edutainment. Education plus entertainment. The goal of using the multimedia approach is to entertain the user while being unaware that he or she is actually learning in the process. Number 2. Business. Communication, product promotion, customer information, communication to employee. Multimedia multiplies the degree of effectiveness in promoting a product. Number 3. Entertainment. Entertainment industries produce computer games and develop animations or special effects for cartoons and movies. Number 4. Public access of information. The ability of multimedia applications that allowed public access to information either online or offline. Tourist information system, electronic publishing are some examples of uses of multimedia for information dissemination. 5. Virtual reality. The advanced use of multimedia is what we call virtual reality. VR is a combination of video, stereo, and computer graphics that attempts to create an interactive, three-dimensional environment.
Multimedia content you can find on some website. First, videos through video hosting sites. Second, sound, music, or audio. You can now share your sound bites to the entire world. Online games. Game developers now create browser-based games. Online tests. Online survey firms and tests that automatically display the results when finished. Fifth, courseware. Online courses that stimulate the classroom online. Sixth, podcast episodic series, audio or text streamed online. And last, podcast, episodic series of videos streamed online.
Business, PowerPoint presentation that uses all kinds of media, are able to effectively information to clients, superiors, co-workers, owners, and the general public. Multimedia is also important in advertising and selling products and services as well as in training employees.
Mathematics and scientific research. Multimedia is used to simulate and model various situations that would otherwise be difficult to grasp in real time, like the case of an erupting volcano or a tornado, wherein often effects can be represented to colleagues or to the learning public. Mathematical equations and formulas that can be represented as visual models can easily be viewed by the use of multimedia. Chemical and molecular models can also use multimedia to present, manipulate, and create new substance.
ICT, important tools, development, and application of ICT tools including information, kiosks, e-learning.
ICT or Information and Communication Technology in simple terms can be defined as the basket of technologies which assist or support in storage, processing of data or information, or in dissemination, communication of data, information, or both. ICT thus includes technologies such as desktop and laptop, computers, software, peripheral, and connection to the internet that are intended to fulfill information processing and communication functions. ICT is an umbrella term that includes any communication device or application, radio, television, cellular phones, computer and network hardware, and software, satellite systems, and so on, as well as the various services and applications associated with them, such as video conferencing and distance learning.
There are 4 C's in ICT as under:
ICT characteristics.
effectiveness, most interactive, fewer errors, customized, personalized, achievable, transparent. Efficiency, faster, cheaper, fewer steps, less people, less paperwork. Innovation, new products, new technique.
ICT technologies are used for: first, application for corporations, airlines, insurance companies, internet banking. Second, applications for state organization, electronic voting, tax refund. Third, application for healthcare, data about patients, diagnostic tools and instruments, special surgical equipment. Fourth, Application for education, computer-based training, distance learning, e-learning, adaptive learning time, flexible learning locations, multimedia learning experience, etc.
ICT uses education, agriculture, transportation, engineering, security, entertainment, banking, medicine.
Role of ICT in education. First, word processing documents, notes, projects, assignments. Second, spreadsheet programming records, exam scores. Third, database information storage. Fourth, graphing software to prepare teaching learning resources. Fifth, developing multimedia kits to make process interesting. Sixth, internet aid email facilities to gain knowledge. 7. Games and simulations to improve quality of learning.
Role of ICT in healthcare. Geographic access of patient in emergency. Data collection, disease surveillance, diagnosis and treatment, management of healthcare institutions, access to medical, health, hygiene, knowledge.
Role of ICT in animal husbandry. First, maintain owner and animal data in a smart card. Second, artificial insemination management, personal digital assistance. Third, inform the animal owner the expected next hit of the animal, and the same system can be used to plan the rounds of the inseminator for insemination, reduce the number of mishit. Fourth, enabling and monitoring the fertility at various levels such as village, block, and the local level. ICT tools. First, multimedia PC, laptop, notebook. Second, CDs and DVDs, digital video, still camera. Third, internet and its tools, email, browsers, websites, search engines, chat, etc. Fourth, video or audio conferencing. Fifth, digital libraries. Sixth, interactive TVs. 7. Microsoft Publishing, newsletter, poster, brochure.